See, even my daughter loves this. And she's not even 2. Oh, she's drinking more. Here we go. Hi, welcome back to Dr. Ashley. I'm here with my daughter, Aaliyah. We're going to show you how to make a turmeric tea. Aaliyah loves turmeric tea, right?
I want to.
You want a turmeric tea? Okay, great. So let's show everybody how to make one. So first, very important ingredient, we start with the turmeric. I always buy organic. This one is a mix of turmeric and ginger and a little bit of cinnamon and black pepper. The black pepper helps the turmeric absorb, maybe even by about 1,000% more. Let's say hi. So let's get started. Here's my turmeric. This is one of my daughter's favorite drinks other than water. I'm gonna show everybody your giraffe. Say hi. Okay, so I always use a whole teaspoon of turmeric for one about 12-ounce cup. So here's my scoop of turmeric. I'm putting it into the cup. Next, I always put some kind of a healthy fat because it also helps the turmeric absorb. This is one of my favorite choices, which is coconut butter. So we're gonna take a scoop of coconut butter. Aaliyah, are you excited to have this with your lunch? You want some coconut butter too? Okay, well, we're gonna take a break here and give Aaliyah some coconut butter. Here you go. She likes it plain. Coconut butter is a very healthy fat. It has medium chain triglycerides, which are rare in other foods. You want more? Okay. So we've made it so far with a baby in our hands with 2 ingredients, coconut butter and my turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, black pepper mix, but you can just use really good quality organic turmeric. Oh, looks like we're having a big break here, eating a whole bunch of coconut butter. Very healthy fats for a baby. Come here. There you go. And it's all over the floor as well. So this is gonna take longer than it should, but you should only need about a minute to make this in the morning in general. Are you eating all that coconut butter? Next, I put a little bit of black pepper extra. There's a little bit in my mix, but the more black pepper, the merrier. Right now we have the coconut butter, turmeric, and some black pepper. And then I like to add, you want more coconut butter? Okay. Looks like we're having coconut butter for lunch. Here you go. You can use coconut oil as well, it's less expensive. Just make sure it's organic, unrefined. You can also use grass-fed butter or grass-fed ghee. Any kind of healthy fat will help the turmeric absorb. Next, we're gonna add a tiny bit of stevia for sweetener. You don't have to do this, but the tea can taste kind of spicy. So just 4 drops. This is pure alcohol extracted stevia. Stevia actually is a terrific medicinal herb. It's very antimicrobial, so I always get a very high quality stevia to use. But just a few drops is a great way to sweeten your turmeric tea healthfully without adding unnecessary sugar calories. And then last but not least, let's go get it, Aaliyah. I'm gonna add a little bit of grass-fed collagen. It's fairly tasteless in turmeric tea. It kind of mixes nicely, and it provides all the necessary amino acids in a day. So let's add a scoop of that. How's your coconut butter going there, baby? So 1 tablespoon of grass-fed collagen. If you're a vegan, you can use a plant-based protein powder. I just recommend trying to get one that's not heavy in rice. Rice can sometimes have quite a bit of mercury in it, so getting a clean protein powder is a great idea, but I do love using grass-fed collagen. So those are all the ingredients, and there is currently coconut butter falling all over me. This is a very messy turmeric tea, but it's actually quite easy. There we go. And here we're gonna take our hot water from the stove. Let's turn the stove off. And we're gonna mix the hot water with our turmeric tea. This is so yummy, even my daughter Aaliyah likes it. Grab a spoon. here we go. Mix in the tea. More coconut butter. Well, it looks like we may not have room for turmeric tea, but we'll see. Here we go. Here's more coconut butter for you, honey. So if you have a look, it's quite a beautiful, oh, and I just spilled a bit, yellow turmeric color. And one trick is to add a little bit of hemp milk, provides some more healthy omegas and fatty acids to the turmeric tea and makes it a little less strong. So we're gonna go ahead and add the milk to the turmeric tea. You're not gonna have room for lunch, are you? But that's okay. And because this is hence the golden milk latte that they sometimes call this color. But you can make it completely dairy free if you don't add grass-fed butter or do the coconut butter instead. So here it is. Let's tilt the screen down a minute. Let's show everybody what we're making, Aaliyah. Oh, you want some too? Yummy. Are you gonna have a yellow mustache? Look at that yellow mustache. Yummy. More? One more sip? See, even my daughter loves this. And she's not even 2. Oh, she's drinking more. Here we go. Let's have one look at, let's show them the tea. See that nice creamy yellow color, super healthy. And I managed to sneak in a whole bunch of protein for my daughter with the grass-fed collagen, and she's smiling and has a yellow mustache. This is Dr. Ashley. Thanks for joining us for quick tips on how to make a turmeric latte. Say bye-bye, Aaliyah. Oh wait, first we're gonna drink a little bit more. Don't forget to subscribe and please watch us for another episode soon. Thank you. All right, bye-bye.